This is how to fix the Mafia 3 black screen issue. So for the first method, you should go to the Windows search bar, type in Device Manager, select this application right here. Now once this window pop up, go to the display adapters, open it, and then select your graphics card, right click and select Update Driver. Now select Search automatically for drivers and click Close. For the next method, go to the search and type in NVIDIA and select this NVIDIA app. If you do have an AMD graphics card, you should select the alternative one. Once you get redirected to this, go to your drivers in the left menu and select this download or install button in order to update the driver of your graphics card. After that, go to settings and make sure to switch off this NVIDIA overlay. Now close this. For the next method, you should go to the Windows taskbar and select this upside arrow. After that, if you do find the Steam icon appearing like this, right click on it and select exit Steam. Now go to any empty space in the Windows taskbar, right click and select task manager. Once done, the search, type in Steam and then make sure to right click on any application. If you do find it running in the background, right click on it and select in task. For the next method, go to the Windows icon and then go to settings. Once you get redirected to the home, go to the Windows update and make sure to download the latest available updates you will find. Next, go relaunch the Steam launcher once again. After that, go to the view option and select library. Now search for Mafia 3 in the left menu. Where do you have your games on? When you do find it, select it and then click on this gear icon and select properties. Now make sure to type in -dx11 into command prompt. After that, go to installed files and select verify integrity of game files. Just wait for the process to finish so it can verify and recover any corrupted or missing file. After that, all you have to do is to go restart your computer. After that, try relaunch the game and see if the problem is gone. If you do find it helpful, consider like, subscribe, and see you on the next one.